The Fritz, what's the time right now? 11. So you have 12 minutes. It's 1 minute to go. You must have a 10-minute practice to make you swim for 3 minutes. So if you have 12 minutes, you have a big difference from the 3 minutes. Then practicing for 12 minutes, you can have an absolute win for that 3-minute swim, 50-meter swim. So Fritz right now is practicing for his breathing exercise to have him long breath technique and the muscle build up for his legs. So what time is it now? 12? 13. So you exceed the 12 minute. I said it's 10, then you go to 12, then now it's 13. So it's better than 12 and 10. That's all for now for his practice in breathe. Sa Bisaya pa mataas siyang hangin. Sige siya bike exercise. He is using the bike exerciser. Hoping he could also have a muscle strength and a long period of muscle endurance, especially needed for swim technique. This is it, mother, for the Sunday practice. We'll still have swim this afternoon. Yesterday we have a swim also in the open sea. We have not taken picture yesterday. Maybe this afternoon we'll be having picture for his swim.